Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can switch the camera photographic style while taking a photo with the iPhone 13 or the 13 Pro. So first let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen we want to open up the camera app, and in here you can see while we are taking a photo, if you want to switch to a different style, you tap on this photographic style and then you can swipe across like this to choose a different style. So we got vibrant here, we got rich contrast, standard. Standard is the default, and then you can choose rich contrast, vibrant, warm, and finally cool. So a cool color is more bluer, I reckon. And from there you can start to take a photo. And that's it. Now you can tap on this photographic style to turn off that window, and that's it. So you can see you can tap on that to turn it on or off. Now you can also go down here to manually change the settings as well. So you can change the tone, and you can also change the warmth, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.